Savin Hegde is very articulate, highly professional, and he had all the material ingredients to engage us throughout this 2-hour session. There's no word to explain about his professionalism. I look forward to attending his longer sessions.
We were provoked, challenged, and to the our creative extent, finding out the best of the creativity without any inhibitions. That is something which we liked about the approach.
The best part of the session was to add the human element to the business. Generally, we forget the customer, the emotional part of it, which is the reconnect, and that's the basic focus of what it has to be.
Probably this session opened up my thinking about the life itself and how I have to approach it. So it's really an eye-opener to me as far as the session is concerned.
Excellent. It was a beautiful session, and one particular thing, starting anything in a small way and making it a bigger, that was astonishing in fact.